Scoops, are you ready? We don't want to be late. You really shouldn't feel shy about all this. You designed your costume yourself, didn't you? You said you put a lot of thought and effort into it. Don't you want me to see it? Scoops, that costume is... It's amazing. I love it. Hang on. Is this why you were so scared? Oh no, how will everyone react when they see the Ice Cream Man's new edgy-looking sidekick? He doesn't look anything like him at all. Scoops, it's pretty clear you made this with the night shift in mind. A darker color palette for stealth when needed, and a few accents to help you stand out for press meetings or interaction with fans. There's plenty of daytime heroes who dress like this too. Besides, I know you'll do just fine. Well, not if you have an empty stomach. But no worries, I know just how to fix that. Come on. Yes, in your hero costume. I know you failed your quick change test at school, which is why we're dressing up in our costumes now. We'll be working on that later, though. No more stalling. It's hero time! Nothing like an early morning patrol. Been a while since I put on my costume first and then went out. It kind of reminds me of going to an anime convention in cosplay. Scoops, are you still nervous? You've been on patrol with other heroes before, haven't you? How is patrolling with me any different? You know, you shouldn't be so nervous. I mean, even if working with the Ice Cream Man gives you cold feet. Aw, Scoops, you can do this. Do you realize how cool you look? If anyone says anything, just let me talk to him, and you can give him the cold shoulder. After all, with a little while from that, they will eventually just chill out. Okay, yeah, sure. This is why you're nervous. You look up to me, you want to look cool, you're scared you're gonna mess up, you could get captured in front of a supervillain, the whole internet could find out, they post memes on social media, and the internet sees it, and... This isn't helping. But that's not happening right now. Our day has just started, and we need to eat. Which is why I brought us here! Yep, it's the fast bank. But not just any fast bank. The fast bank with a burger joint built in. So, I guess you could call it a fast food bank. Oh, I'm on a roll today. Oh, come on, that was a good one. You're smiling. Oh. Hey, Mikey! You and your boyfriend make up? Great! I'm happy I could help. Miss Sarah! Don't worry, I haven't forgot about helping you move your furniture to your new house. Lily! Did you get that new computer already? Awesome! Here's a little treat to celebrate. Huber, buddy! Don't give me that look. It's almost the weekend. You got this. If you get some time later, we can play that game. I heard they released a new DLC. Yeah, I know a lot of people. Since I'm not always fighting supervillains or saving people from disasters, I help out with day-to-day things and get to know them better. It's actually a part of my job as being a role model hero, but it's still... I probably would have done this anyway. Here's the thing. Before I became a superhero, I actually helped out with a lot of day-to-day chores and other stuff. So some of the people actually know me before I became Captain Neo. And the thing is, since I know a lot of people as people, I can also know just what to say to comfort them in their time of need. You see, even if someone gets rescued from a scary situation, it doesn't change the fact they just went through something scary. What if they need saving from something you can't fight? A bad day, hurt feelings, a moment of weakness? Can you imagine what it would feel like to have a superhero come down and tell them it's gonna be alright? Reassure them that everything's gonna work out? Exactly! If we earn their trust, then they'll trust us to save their lives. And that's what we want. We want to be able to save them. And how can they trust us to save them if they don't even trust us, right? Oh, here we are. Alright, order whatever you want. On me. Hey, Marty! I'll just have my usual hero sandwich. And for my buddy here, we'll have, Wait, what the? Scoops, get down!
Tremble in fear of us.
Marty, head back to the exit. Scoops, keep your head down
Do
and
you
follow
have the
me.
money? And the hostages? No,
All right.
idiot! I said keep
Our first
them
supervillain
conscious.
fight together.
We
Are
need
you
to
ready,
wait
Scoops?
So we can make the heroes back
I'll keep them
off.
busy, and when you see an opening,
Don't
that's when
just
you
stand
strike.
there. Grab a few and bring them over here. What? What about what?
Wielder of cold sweetness, servant of justice, warrior of ice cream, ensuring evil is getting its just desserts and treating the world to a tasty treat. I am Captain Neapolitan! Now, for the sake of the world, we'll save the day!
Wait, no, hang on. Are you that ice cream hero?
Surrender now, or prepare to face a brain-freezing serving of justice!
Oh, as if I'd lose to such a silly hero and his equally as helpless sidekick. Now why don't you come back and fight me some other time? Say, how about next Sunday? Now stay back, or these hostages... I said these hostages! Oh, guys, really?
It's not too late to surrender. Come on, Allison, we can talk about this. We don't need to fight.
How did you... Ugh! You can't stop me. I'm stronger now and I won't let anyone stand in my way. Especially not a poser like you.
Ha! Strawberry blast! Chocolate chop! Mint chocolate chipper! You won't get away with this!
I told you I've gotten stronger.
Scoops!
You've lost. You're gonna take a little nap until someone finds you.
Scoops!
You think you can defeat me, newbie? Ah! What the... No, stay back. How did you...
Scoops. Whoa. You just threw punches left and right, and all of a sudden they're on the ground. What was all that? Nerve? And pressure points? Wait. Is that what all those strikes were? Oh, I get it. Striking certain nerve points and pressure points on their body causes them to seize up, and then they can't move. Fascinating. Since when did Super School start teaching stuff like that?
Captain, are you alright? Whoa, you already stopped them? The civilians, are they?
They're alright, just unconscious. It was just a sleep power. No one was hurt, and there were no casualties.
Well done, Captain. We already caught the others and ran away, but how'd you stop this one so fast?
I didn't actually stop them. You'll need to ask my sidekick here what happened. They're today's hero, and mine too.
Your sidekick? Your sidekick took on the Bad Dream Gang without falling asleep. Save the hero they were working with?
Yeah, they actually saved me. I was pinned back against the wall and I couldn't move. And then all of a sudden they came in with a flurry of punches and it was just amazing.
How'd you pull that off, newbie?